Hi, everybody. This is Urban Sweetheart Teresa, and I'm coming at you with a new wig review. All right, today we have a wig I think has been reviewed kind of thoroughly, but not in this color. And this, and maybe only two more colors are available. It's a very popular unit. So I said, let me do this color just in case somebody still want to get it. And they're afraid to try it. This is the color TFL60/gold. And the name of the unit is Bobbi Boss. What's her name? Natalie. MLF602. Natalie. All right, let's see what old girl Natalie is looking like. All right. The fearful need not apply. Natalie is not for the fearful. All right, y'all see this color, right? This is not for the fearful. One of my doggone nails done popped off that fast. Y'all see that? That's when you get these press-on ones. I think I like the ones with glue. See, that's why I be telling you I don't want to go out because I had these on all day and they start like when you wash your hands and stuff, they start lifting. All right, but anyway, I'm gonna continue on. It's like a yellow blonde. It's a little bit lighter than honey blonde. The maybe some touches of some touches of 613. You see it, y'all see it. Don't act like you don't see it. 613 in there. So you got yellow blonde, 613 blonde, your regular blonde. I guess you could kind of say it's honey, but I think it's a little lighter than honey blonde. All right, so baby hairs. Y'all see them baby hairs. Don't act like you don't. Baby hairs. Uh-oh, I don't see no dark rooting. Boy, I'm going to have a challenge on my hands. Ooh, Lord, here we go. All right, so I'm going to cut this lace off. I ain't going to mess with the baby hairs yet. I'm going to cut the lace off and be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back with this old selection I got here. All righty, so cap construction. This is what it's looking like on the inside, two combs on the side, comb in the back, straps, this little bungee cord, adjustable straps in the back, and it has this cap netting, whatever you want to call it, to hold them tracks and your hair from poking through. All right. All right, here we go. I'm scared because I ain't got no dark root. Scared. Now, let me take this back off. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me put my foundation on here. It's already starting to look clownish. All right, hopefully this will look better. This band thing, let me try to tighten that up. Like my head was swimming in here. All right, let's try that again. Those baby hairs up under here. So many of them. So many of them. Now you just want to cut them junks off. Oh, look at that color. Ooh-wee. Ooh, tack that down. Tack it down. Yeah. If you only need a tap of spray, hold it down. Doggone it, why didn't I bring it in here? Because I really didn't want to secure this down. I would take my, hold on, y'all. Get ready to secure these edge two flaps down. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put just the tap of this on the edges. It's a little bit still tacky because I just ran in there and put it on and came right back. All right, so with all these baby hair flyaways, I'm going to use a little wax stick just to go around, keep them out my face. And I'm just going to quick little brush them, stay up my face. I don't like these baby hairs. Yeah, no, I don't. All right, now what to do with this style? What is old girl serving? A swoop. A swoop. Which way? Which way to swoop? Well, really on the back she has a middle part. I assume that's where this thing is coming from. I would just do swoop. Ooh, look at that track. Look at that track. Y'all see that track? All right, let's take a comb. Stop it, Teresa. Uh, oh my goodness. Look at that. And you to wear this, you gotta be about it. You can't be scared. You cannot be scared to wear this hair. You cannot be scared. You gonna wear it, wear it. You gotta own it. How they said, you got to own this hair. You can't be walking around scared. You got to be walking around saying, and what? And what? Nah. Straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. I know the back ain't perfect because you got to be able to see. I can't see what's going on back there. There's some Faith Evans here. There's some Faith Evans. Faith Evans. Faith Evans. Where Biggie at? I'm sorry. And that's not being disrespectful. I'm just saying this is my Faith Evans. This ain't my Mary J. Blige. This is my Faith Evans here. I love me some Biggie. Love me some Faith. First album. I think I like it a little bit more over this way. To get my paddle brush. I don't feel like going. Paddle brush would be nice to brush this out. Now, of course, you can do the usual swooping if you wanted to. But this is a nice unit. This really is a nice unit. So all the dark colors are gone. If you like color, that pink one, I think it's a purple, pink, or whatever, still left. Maybe you can try to get that. And I think I seen one site that still had a burgundy one. So all the natural colors are gone. So if you bold about your business, try this one. Try it. Trust me. You gonna get the looks. You gonna get the looks. Don't be scared, brown skin sisters. You can wear this too. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Bobbi Boss Natalie in the color TFL60/gold.